Communication patent portfolio management strategies. Patent portfolio management is the systematic process of creating, maintaining, expanding, and leveraging patents. It involves prioritizing applications based on commercial relevance and monitoring existing patents for licensing or litigation opportunities. Prioritizing patent applications involves focusing on commercial viability, strategic importance, and defensibility against scrutiny. Regular portfolio audits help identify gaps in coverage, phase out obsolete or redundant patents, and monitor expiries to prepare for market shifts and new applications. Crafting a proactive patent strategy involves identifying licensing opportunities, exploring strategic alliances and partnerships through cross-licensing or joint ventures, and selecting litigation battles wisely while considering alternative dispute resolution. Leveraging patent analytics and competitive intelligence involves using patent analytics to spot trends, benchmark competitors, and mitigate risks, with tools and platforms providing in-depth analysis through patent databases and analytics software. Get expert guidance to avoid mistakes, conduct thorough searches to prevent infringement, draft comprehensive applications to protect your technology, and plan for future growth with strong patent coverage. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.